The first thing that you will need to know about the airframe cycle is how to fold and unfold. Firstly, we will demonstrate the sequence in its entirety, so that you can see that with a little practice it will become a fast, simple procedure. One thing to note is that you're not bending down while you're doing it, helpful to prevent back strain. The sequence will now be demonstrated one step at a time. Pick up the bike into the vertical position. Before you start folding, steady the bike against your right foot. Keep the bike steady by holding onto the top plates with your right hand, and then with your left hand open out the handlebars like this. Keep the bike steady now with your left hand on the top plates. With your right hand, pull down the carrier, which releases the locking arrangement with the black plastic block. Steadying the bike with your left hand on the top plates, raise up the saddle column with your right hand and slide down the sleeve to cover the hinge. Slide your right hand up towards the saddle, and applying the rear brake with your left hand, lower the bike backwards briskly, and the rear wheel will drop towards the ground. Still with the rear brake on, and the rear wheel in contact with the ground, run out the front wheel, and at the same time feed the saddle column down between the top plates until the black plastic block meets the top plates. Turn the steering to face forward. Turn the saddle round and press the black plastic block so that it is seated between the plates. Now you can lock the handlebars, which is done by pulling back the handlebars thus. Then with your forefinger, twist round the boomerang plate so that it drops onto the pegs on the handlebars. When on, push the plate down to see that it is properly seated, and then you should turn the winged plastic lock to the left so that the wings are parallel to the handlebars. Finally, check that the sleeve on the saddle column is fully down over the hinge.